The simple answer is not always. If you buy a low-fat version of a high-fat food like mayonnaise or salad dressing, it may have less fat, but it may not actually save you any calories per serving. Another example is low-fat cookies. Low-fat cookies may have less fat, but they also often have more sugar, which means they have about the same amount of calories as the regular version. Also, many low-fat foods are highly processed, which means they've been stripped of a lot of their natural nutrients. For example, low-fat breakfast cereals may be low in fat, but they might have lost their fiber and some of their naturally occurring vitamins and minerals through processing, and those have to be added back. So, if you're watching your fat, it's really important to read your food labels and look for foods that are just naturally low in fat. Those would be things like vegetables and fruits and lean proteins and whole grains. And when you do use fats, use the healthy ones like olive oil, canola oil, nuts, or avocado, and use them sparingly and for flavor.